Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making broccoli cheddar soup. You will need 2 heads of broccoli, 1 carrot, 1 medium onion, 1 clove of garlic, 8 ounces of cheddar cheese, 2 cups of half and half, 3 cups of chicken broth, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. In a large pot, melt your butter. Now saute your onion and garlic for 2 minutes. Add your flour to create a roux, then add the half and half and chicken broth. Add the broccoli and carrots, then season with the salt, pepper, and nutmeg. Then cover and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat, then add your cheese, and now it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To